A special needs trust is a very unique estate planning tool that we will create to provide a meaningful benefit to a child who has a disability that allows them to participate in government means tested programs like SSI and Medicaid. And the tool itself allows for a meaningful benefit to be had without the assets in the trust counting against the child for the purposes of qualifying for these means tested benefits. But part of the trust is adhering to regulatory rules, right? The things that need to be true to participate in these different programs. And so there are limitations on how a trust can use the assets that are in that trust. For instance, a trust is going to be required to only ever supplement, but not supplant, public benefits like Medicaid. It's also going to have the same rule set around HUD or Section 8 housing benefits for someone who qualifies for that. And so if a beneficiary of a trust is receiving Section 8 benefits, then the trust should not undermine or replace them. But a trust otherwise, for someone who is not receiving those types of benefits, can be utilized to pay for any number of different housing related expenses like rent, like mortgage payments, like HOA and COA dues in different planned associations, like improvements or utilities or taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Any number of different things, especially after it is funded through inheritance at the death of the parents. So it could be maintaining the home that they have always lived in. It could be paying for any number of monthly fees or any amount of monthly fees to live in a leased or rented premises. It could be the payment of different program dues or fees that are not paid for by things like Medicaid. And so the goal in creating a special needs trust is to replace the types of things that you otherwise provided for during your lifetime when you're no longer here.